So good evening friends. So today again I came back in front of all of you as usual. Today I am not going to narrate any other story. It is a very important novel which I have read yesterday, and I understood that it is a very important for the exam point of view as well as for the learning for self. It is very mandatory to understand the novel and the summary of this story, what is and what is the credibility which is protagonist of this novel going to get, going to narrate it, and hope it will be beneficiary for those guy who is going for the MA part 1 giving exam and who is going for the net GRF exam clearing. This is very mandatory for both of the students, because here is novel and it is a MEG 03 which is part 1 MA subject, and this is question many time asked that who is the uh, writer of this Tom Jones and who is the protagonist of this novel, and what is the responsibility, accountability, kindness, kindness of the Tom. Everything explanation asked by the uh, exam time of MA part 1. So according to that perception, it is very mandatory to understand, to explain in your own words as a summary, because very lengthier novel of this Tom Jones we cannot understand. We cannot read and mug up to all the novel. It's not possible for anyone because it's a very lengthier. In I think 900 1000 pages it is written by Henry Fielding. So keep set up in your mind that it's a character and it's a role and responsibility of this character, and it is explanation and it is a rudeness behavior, wellness behavior, qualities of the persons need to understand. We'll have to elaborate to that in exam as well. This is the simple enough uh, explanation and illustration will be in exam. So as per the need of that, I am going to explain it and hope that you will try to understand this Tom Jones novel. So written by Henry Fielding in 28 Feb 1749 in London. Who is writer of this? Henry Fielding. Written by Henry Fielding in 18 28 Feb 1749 in London. It was published in London. So this was the little bit introduction about the writer and time of tenure of publication of this novel. Who is main protagonist of this novel? Main protagonist, main hero, main character of this story is only one, that is Tom. So let's start the story of this Tom Jones. So once upon a time in London there was a Squire Allworthy person who was the emperor of that empire at that moment, when the we can say 18th century, when he was doing handling the empire of that time. He had lot of business, lot of work, so this reason he always used to come and go for the business purpose outside of the country. It was the activity of that, and we can say he was mainly living 1 or 2 months in his room in his state. So once he returned back from out of country and seen that there was a infant little baby laid on the bed of Squire Allworthy. Squire Allworthy was alone in his empire, in his particular home, because there was no anybody. Wife was dead before 5 years ago of this story, and there was only one sister, that is Bridget Allworthy, and she was also closer of the house. He was not living in that particular house. So this reason we can say he was alone in this home. And when he returned back, he saw that there was a little infant laid on the table bed of Mr. Allworthy. He got surprised and thought that from where this baby came, who is accountable, who is the parents of this baby, and who have left over here, what is the reason. This was the problem arised in his mind of Allworthy. But after lot of exploration, lot of seeking, he could not get the exact name of parents of that lad boy. So he was very kind and very generous person. So this reason he adopted to that boy and kept name of that Tom. Mr. Allworthy given the name of that boy Tom Jones. It was the name of that boy Tom Jones, who was laid on the bed of Mr. Allworthy. So it was the given name of Tom Mr. Allworthy. After some time, he got information that the boy is the son of Mr. Jenny Jones. Jenny Jones or Mr. Waters. He and she is the accountable parents of this boy Mr. Toms. But due to the defame of Mr. Waters, he could not say anything to Jenny Jones and Mr. Waters. Okay, he could not say. He adopted to Mr. Tom Jones and he started nourishment of Tom Jones as a parents, as a father, as was the responsibility of Mr. Allworthy. He started all the things with the boy, and because he was very kind-hearted person, he was very loyal for the empire, for the baby. So this reason it was not problem to that, because he was understanding that if I will explain it, if I will call to Jenny Jones in the courtyard about the discussion of this, then she and he will feel very defamed. So this reason he didn't ask anything, but he given order to him and her that expelled from the empire. He expelled to both. He expelled to them from the state of London, where was the uh, rule of Mr. Allworthy was running. He expelled to both them from there. Okay, so this was the little bit about the Jenny Jones, Mr. Waters, Mr. Allworthy, and now we are moving to Bridget Allworthy. Who is Bridget Allworthy? Bridget Allworthy is the sister of Squire Allworthy, who was living closer of Mr. Allworthy. After some time, Bridget Allworthy get married with Mr. Captain Blifil. Captain Blifil is the name of husband of Mr. Miss Bridget Allworthy. Now they started living togetherness. But Captain Blifil was very rude, very we can say very rude, very unpleasant person towards the Tom Jones, because Captain Blifil always keep understanding that Tom Jones is not the uh, right person, right crown prince of this state, because it is not family member of this family. So why is arriving here? Why is he living here? He was always keep thinking that if Tom will be alive here, Tom will be present over here, then my upcoming generation cannot be the crown prince of this Mr. Allworthy state. It was the thinking, because he was very clever, he was very disgusting guy. So this reason he always thinking rudeness towards the Tom. Many more days passes with Bridget Alworthy. After some time, Miss Bridget Alworthy given birth a baby boy and kept the name of that Blifil. Father name was Captain Blifil, and the baby boy who given birth by Bridget Allworthy name is only Blifil. Now Blifil and Tom, these are the two infant uh, boy who was living in the estate of Mr. Allworthy, or premises of Mr. Allworthy. So life was going good with everyone, but the behavior of Captain Blifil started very rude, very disgusting with Tom Jones, because now he understood that if Tom will be over here, then how is it possible that Blifil can be crown prince of this state? It is never possible. So we'll have to make any idea to remove it, to expel it from this state. It was the trick started running in mind of Mr. Captain Blifil, because I am going to narrate here that in whole character, in whole this novel, only this is the guy whose behavior, whose thinking capability is very rude towards the society, towards the societal who was the living over there. So he started thinking to this expelling of Tom, but could not get success in this, because he was very lovable for the Mr. Allworthy. Tom was very lovable, Tom was very appreciable for the Squire Allworthy. So this reason he could not do anything, and in this jealousy, in this angerness, he he lose his temperament. Mr. Captain Allworthy lose his temperament, and after some time he got died. Now here is the turn in the story that he got expired, because he had lot of trouble, lot of panic ideas, lot of problem in his mind about the Tom. So this reason he got expired, because the illness was apoplexy. It was the name of illness, apoplexy. In that problem came and he got expired. Now Tom and Mr. Blifil grown up, and he became in the age of 12 years. Then Mr. Allworthy thought that I should give the schooling of these boys, because everything is not here in this empire. We should give the good coaching, good tutor for the ahead of life. So given tutor to both them, and the tutor started coming and started teaching to both them. So the tutor was also very rude person, very ugly, very uh, contempt person, having lot of jealousy towards the Tom, because the tutor understood that this Tom is not a real person, not right person for this empire. So this reason he was not giving the good behavior for the Tom, but for the Blifil he had given good respect, good teaching skill, in opposition of Tom not given anything. Like this ran away for long time, and now the Tom is very generous, very kindness person, and very helpful person for the servant, for the society, for the population who was over there living, and the Mr. Alworthy's servant name was Black George. Black George is a servant of Mr. Alworthy. Tom Jones started stealing mangoes, jewelry, money to give to Black George because Tom Jones understood that Black George is a servant of this house. How Black George can sustain in this little bit amount of salary, little bit amount of payment. So this reason he started stealing money from his house and given to Black George as a friendly, as a sustainability for sustaining the life. He started giving to Black George, and Tom same informed to Blifil as well, which was the activity of Mr. Tom Jones. He started to sing with Mr. Blifil because Tom was understanding that Blifil is my brother. So what is the reason to hide the things from Blifil? I should explain all the thing. I should say all the point which I am doing. So this reason he started narrating all the point which he was doing. But Blifil was the son of Captain Blifil, so this reason quality of Captain Blifil in the generation of Captain Blifil was also available. Quality in the sense rudeness, jealousy, and all other the negative points which we can assume all the things was also existence in that person. Blifil was very backbiter. Same Blifil informed to Mr. Allworthy, who was the emperor of the state. Now he not given any mind on that point. Alworthy not take attention on that point what Blifil is saying. But Blifil said to this point to tutor. Tutor scolded to Tom and expelled from the coaching institute. Now Tom is alone. Nobody with him. Only Black George, who was the servant of that, and Black George had the sympathy for the Toms because he was understanding that Tom is very kind, generous person, very helpful person. So this isn't Black George make fame to the Tom in the society, and everyone started appreciating to the Tom, and he started to consider him as a god of society, as a god of that area because he was very helpful, had lot of sympathy for the poverty, lot of empathy for those person who was not able to gain the food. He was giving food to them from his home after stealing, after scoldness, after the bitterness he keep doing to this thing. So he became very popular, very famous in that society. And opposite of this, Blifil backbiting, only backbiting, only backbiting of Tom Jones. Now, when Tom was alone, so he started coming and going to his neighbors. Neighbor's name was Square Western. He started to coming and going in the house of Square Western, who was the neighbor and who was very close friend of Tom Jones because Square Western was also knowing to Tom that he is very generous, very helpful, very kindful person. So this reason they were very good friend and they stay together at the time when they would be free. After a long time, 1 or 2 years later, Tom saw the daughter of Mr. Square Western, and Square Western daughter name was Sophia Western. Sophia Western was very beautiful, very a charming look she had. So this reason Tom fallen in love of her Sophia. But Squire Weston did not know to this point that Tom fallen in love of is Sophia Weston. Sophia Weston also fallen in love of Tom Jones because she was knowing that Tom Jones is very good person and having lot of prosperity. He is a rightful person of this empire. So this reason I should do the marriage with this Tom Jones. It was the mind setup of Sophia Weston as Bill. But here is another character of Tom Jones, which was the shown by Henry Fielding, that is Black George, who was the servant of Tom Jones. Name was Black George. His daughter name was Molly. Black George was the servant of Tom Jones, and Black George daughter name was Molly. He fallen in love with Molly as well. Tom fallen in love of Molly as well. Now the situation is very critical. That here he fallen in love with Molly, and there he fallen in love of Sophia Weston. But he is now in dilemma that to whom I have to select, to whom I have to keep as a housewife, to as a wife of mine. He could not decide to it and keep having the relationship both. Now Black George daughter, Black George daughter Molly got pregnant. So when he heard that Molly got pregnant, then Tom started thinking that how is it possible? I am not rightful person for this pregnancy. How it became? Now the question started arising in his mind that how is it possible that she got pregnant? Then after a long time, after 1 or 2 months later, he heard that Molly is having the relationship with many more guys who was living over there. Then Tom understood that this pregnancy, which is of Molly, that is not mine. I am not rightful person of this pregnancy. He understood it very well and clearly. Then he got little bit happy. But Molly want to do marriage with Tom. So this reason Molly wanted to get stuck to Tom in this pregnancy case. But Tom understood that here may be any trick of Black George and Molly to get the prosperity, to be the wife of mine, to get all the prosperity which I will deserve in future. So this reason Molly started cheating with Tom that this is your boy, baby, this is your bomb, this is your uh, result which I am having, which I am carrying right now. You are rightful person of this pregnancy. These are the point of Miss Molly. But Blifil understood it from anywhere that Tom is having relationship with Sophia as well as with Molly, and Molly is the pregnant pregnant and pregnancy is of only Tom, and Blifil given to same condition, uh, same explanation to Mr. Allworthy. Said all the explanation that this is the happening with Tom. Tom is doing to this, and Molly got pregnant, and Molly is the daughter of Black George, and Black George is a servant of our this house. It was the explanation of Blifil for the Tom to Mr. Allworthy. Now Mr. Allworthy understood to all the mechanism behind this and understood that Tom is doing very wrong work by this activity, by this creativity. Here will be lot of damages about the reputation, about the dignity. He understood clearly and he given order to expelled from the society. But here, after giving the order to expel him from the society, expelled him from the state, after 1 or 2 days later, he got ill. He got ill. Who got ill? Mr. Allworthy got ill. Not easy. He was very big ailment having. So this reason he understood that now I am around to I am about to death. So this reason he thought now I should give the distribution, give the property to whom, who is the rightful person of this and who is not rightful person of this society, of this empire, to whom I have give how much quantity, to whom I have to give how long the premises for the surviving over here. He started thinking about it and he uh, called to all the relatives of his and given a will letter. He drafted a will letter, and in that will letter he mentioned clearly that whole the property which was Mr. Allworthy, Blifil will be rightful crown prince of that empire, and little bit amount of that empire will be only Tom. He given property to Tom as well, but in a very little quantity. But instead of this to Blifil, he given it. You can say 85% he given to Mr. Blifil and only 15% to Tom. So this was the will letter of Allworthy, and he given to him justice to both. And now, after listening to this justice, Tom think that what will I do of this 15% or which is given by Allworthy? What will I do of this? He was not concerned. He was not in panic of this decision. He was only in panic of the ailment of Mr. Allworthy, because he was very amiable person, he was very lovable, he was the person who had given nourishment to Tom. So this reason Tom was very loyalist towards the Allworthy. So this reason he was very panicked that now Allworthy is around about of death. It was the concern, it was the question, it was the ailment of Mr. Tom. So this reason Tom now anyhow started coming in the house of Mr. Allworthy, and many more time he started to spending with Allworthy and started keeping nourishment of Allworthy, caretaking of Allworthy, such as medicine, such as fooding, such as all and all other the things which is very mandatory point at the time of death, at the time of bed. So all the activity he started to caring of the Allworthy, and instead of this Blifil, he was very addicted of alcohol. He started keep drinking alcohol, keep uh, started drinking beer because he was in the darkness of the property, because he had lot of property bill later he had given. So this reason he was not any concern about the health of Mr. Alworthy, because he is very rude, he is very jealousy-full person. What he wanted, he got from the Alworthy. Every backbiting, every point which he had raised up, according to that, he got. So, what is the need about the caretaking, about taking attention for the Alworthy? It was not in mind of Blifil. So, this reason Blifil taken separation from the Allworthy, but beyond it, Tom was very careful, very attentionful person. So this reason he given lot of time to Allworthy at the time of death. But somehow doctor given good medicine, good caretaking to Allworthy, and Allworthy now the situation of death went wrong. He given good medicine. So this reason doctor given decision that now Alworthy is good. He can be alive now further more. So this reason Alworthy became happy, and Tom also became happy, because it was very concerning. It was very thinkable point for the Tom. So this reason after the decision of after the caretaking of doctor, he became happy, and both became happy and understood that Tom's responsibility and Blifil's responsibility at the time of death. Bid Alworthy understood it clearly, and now the bill letter which was given by the Alworthy, he taken to that bill letter and handled all the property from self, because now he is well, he is healthy, he is uh, able to handle the property. So this reason he taken all the property from the Blifil, from the Tom as well, and he started caretaking of those as he was doing earlier. So it was the little bit explanation of this.